Common shortcut keys between a Mac and an iPad. For this demonstration, you will need to have an iPad that is paired to a keyboard. It can be a smart keyboard or a Bluetooth keyboard. If in case during the demonstration you encounter or you see some stuttering, this is because I'm using an entry-level iPad 7 paired with a Bluetooth keyboard made by Bridge and the Magic Trackpad 2. For our first shortcut key, it is the screenshot. Simply press the Command, the Shift, and the number 4 key from your keyboard. Now let's have a quick demonstration. Suppose you want to take a screen capture of an item on the internet. Open the Safari browser and then press the Command, Shift, and 4 on your keyboard. Afterwards, if you want to adjust the crop area, you may do so before saving the picture. When you are finished cropping, press the Done button on the upper left corner of your screen and then choose Save to Photos. To verify the screenshot, open up the Photos app. The screenshot should appear as the last entry on your Photos library. Shortcut key number 2, Spotlight Search. This is commonly used for searching files or applications on your device or information on the internet. To activate the Spotlight Search at any time, press the Command key and the Space key on the keyboard. Let's try to search for the Numbers app. Once you see the icon appear, you may click over it. While we're inside this application, let's search for another one. For this demo, I will open the Calculator app. If you don't have this, you may open any other application that you have. To have two applications open, press and hold on the Calculator application and drag it away to open up multitasking feature. Next, let's try to do a spotlight search for a file. As you will see, the full screen application Numbers has now been replaced by the file I opened on Pages. Finally, let's try to do another spotlight search, but this time let's search for something online. Remember, the spotlight search can be activated anytime, anywhere in the device. Shortcut key number 3, Switch Application or the Application Switcher. This enables the user to switch between open applications. To open the application switcher, press and hold the Command key followed by the Tab key. Press the Tab key repeatedly to highlight the icon of the application you want to switch over to. You can activate the application switcher anytime in any application. To see a complete list of shortcut keys available for a target application, simply press and hold on the Command button while inside the application. For this demo, I want you to observe how the shortcut key list varies from application to application. On the Notes list, these are the shortcut keys available. On the home screen, you also have a different set of shortcut keys. And for other applications such as Safari, you might encounter a huge list of shortcut keys that have multiple pages. Again, to display the list, press and hold on the Command button.